I wanted to publish a book, and I thought Lulu would be a good option, but it's not what I thought it would be. People should be warned. They need to know what they're getting into. I'm ready to tell my story.
JK, y'all, it's me. We're keeping it real this week and letting you know why you shouldn't publish on Lulu. Stay tuned. Don't publish on Lulu if you like wasting money. Because we got free registrations, free ISBNs, free uploads, and free revisions. So you can just take your boatloads of cash somewhere else. Don't publish on Lulu if you hate the environment. If you're one of those people who likes to start forest fires on your way to work or punch baby seals in the face, don't use Lulu. Why? Because Lulu is a B Corp. What's a B Corp, you ask? B corporations are for-profit companies certified by the nonprofit B Lab to meet rigorous standards of accountability, sustainability, and transparency. And this goes from everything to employee benefits to supply chain input and more. We're crushing it for the earth. Plus, Lulu uses print-on-demand technology, which allows us to save trees and resources since each book isn't printed until someone orders it. Versus traditional printing, where you'll do offset runs of hundreds or thousands of copies that may end up thrown away or getting pulped. Don't let your fiction become pulp. Don't publish on Lulu if you like having your home overrun with unsold copies of your book. Because with print on demand, you never have to worry about inventory. You only order the print copies you need when you need them. And when your readers buy from Lulu, the books are custom made for them. It's like a little bespoke gift going out into the world from you to them. Bonus, with white label shipping, when that little bespoke gift arrives, it can have your branding on the packing slip instead of ours. Don't publish on Lulu if you hate options. If you're one of those one-size-fits-all type folks, keep it moving. Because at Lulu, we've got all the options. We've got paperback, hardcover dust jacket, hardcover case wrap, notebooks, journals, planners, calendars, magazines, comic books, and coil bound. So if that sounds bad to you, move along. Don't publish on Lulu if you hate knowledge about your customers. If you like selling your books through a third party that's going to keep part of your revenue and all of your customer data, then don't use Lulu. Because at Lulu, we have Lulu Direct that allows you to sell directly through your own website, automate print fulfillment, keep 100% of your revenue, and collect customer data. But if that's too much for you, we understand, and we wish you well. Those are all the reasons you shouldn't use Lulu. So don't hit like and don't subscribe, and we won't see you next time.